After years of working in the high-tech industry, it was clear to us that many of the more traditional established companies, which we called tenure techs, were struggling to attract talent in critical functions like engineering, IT, software development, or product management. We believed that companies established in the age of cloud, social, mobility, and analytics, what we call digital borns, were attracting that technical talent instead. We wanted to validate that hypothesis and put some scale around the talent gap. In this digital age, it seemed appropriate to use a platform like LinkedIn, which has established itself as the professional social networking platform, to generate some research insights. We scraped the site to understand the migratory patterns of technical talent working in tenured techs and digital boards. The research focused on a few thousand technical workers across two sets of businesses in the US. Number one, a handful of tenured tech companies founded before 2000 and with greater than 50,000 employees. Number two, a handful of digital borns founded after 2000 with fewer than 50,000 employees and over 500 million in revenues. These technical workers had at least 2 job changes in the time frame between 2011 and 2016. The 3 main takeaways suggest that attracting and retaining the workforce of the future may be the biggest challenge for tenured tech companies. Number 1, migratory talent patterns show that for every employee a tenured tech company gains from those digital-born companies, it loses 8 employees to those same digital-born companies. Number 2, only 1 in 12 workers who leave a tenured tech company opt for another tenured tech company. And finally, number 3, once an employee leaves a tenured tech company, they don't come back. The most common migratory pattern was for an employee to stay in the digital-born camp. And the second most common pattern was for an employee to start in tenured tech, then move to a digital-born, and move a third time to yet another digital-born company. These patterns of actual talent migration cannot be ignored by established companies looking to develop a new generation of products and services based on the latest digital technologies.